Alright, here we're going to show you how to scale a top view playground from a JPEG image. So this is a JPEG image of one of our top view playgrounds. It's not scaled in any particular size, so we need to try and measure this playground. But first we're going to have to scale it to measure it. So to scale it, we need to open up this JPEG in Adobe Acrobat Professional. Now this is not Adobe Reader. This is Adobe Acrobat Professional, so you'll need this program to do these measurements. First of all, we're going to go to Tools, and we're going to go to Measuring. We're going to select the Distance tool. So Tools, Measuring, Distance tool. Here it gives us our scale ratio. Now my previous scale was this size, so I'm going to change that to 1 inch, 1 inch. So this is 1:1, so a real size measuring. And now I need to, in order to scale this, I'm going to have to compare this measurement on the plan to the measurement of this actual platform in real life. So if I just blow that up a little bit and I measure my plan, I measure this deck. Now I know this deck is 45.86 inches in real life. So you need to remember that. In real life this deck's 45.86 inches. But on the plan it's 1.7 inches. So that'll give us a ratio. So what we need to do is take a calculator. I'm just taking a calculator on the side here, and I'm going to put in the real measurement, which is 45.86. That's what the real deck measurement is in inches. I'll divide that by what the plan says in inches, which is 1.7, equals, so 26.97 is the calculation. Now that means that 1 inch equals 27 or 26.97 inches on this plan. 26.97 inches. So now if we remeasure this deck, we've got 46, a little over 46, so look, that's very, very close. We had 45.86, so it's just a fraction over 0.2 of an inch. So that's close enough for our measuring. So now we're going to measure the entire playground. So I'll just hide this box for a second. Here's our rock wall, it's probably our furthest extremity. So I click on the rock wall and pull it out to where the slide finishes. I can either just drag this measure tool wherever I like, or I can hold the shift button, which will constrain it to a straight line. So I've just measured that out to the slide. We've got a measurement of 575.62 inches. That's the full length of the playground. Alright, I'll just change this. So now we might measure it from top to bottom. So I've got a landing deck here. So I'll click from, say, there, and we'll down to the bottom of this well slide. To there. Measurement out. 356.1 inches. So we've measured from the top to bottom and left to right, and we've got the complete extremities of our playground. Now we might want to measure some of the components on here. So we can measure from one side to the other side of this arch climber, which is 55.62 inches, and you can now basically measure anything on the plan. I didn't explain how to use the measuring tool. However, once you've got the tool selected, you simply just click it once, click your mouse once, and pull your measure to wherever you want. And if you want, when you get to where you want, just click the mouse again, and then you can pull your measure tool to any point on the plan, and it'll give you a measurement there, 328 inches. So that's how you scale a JPEG top view image and measure it.